friends, today we're in New York City and we are going over to the Meatpacking District to check out the new Hermes boutique which just opened here in the Meatpacking District. So let's go check it out. About this new Hermes location here in the Meatpacking District is that the upstairs, which is where you'll find shoes, you'll find men's and women's ready to wear, as well as like kind of the home unique discovery type section of the store in their collection. But the upstairs, this used to be the former photography studio of Annie Leibovitz. So the light, the natural light, is exquisite. One of my favorite features about this new Hermes location here at the Meatpacking District is that they've incorporated a little workspace area. It has a cafe right here in the middle of the store. There's a place for you to charge your iPhone, your computer. They have free Wi-Fi. You can get coffee, tea, and they even have a selection of books if you just want to kind of hang out and chill. And the books they've all been curated from the Whitney Museum. So it's a really cool little space if you ever feel like working remotely from an Hermes store.